writing. That is a part of your syllabus. While talking about report, we will be beginning the talk. First report, then press report. What is a report? A report is a factual, truthful, authenticated, valid account of something that is happened, seen, visualized, felt, realized, or even speculated on the data available. That is an authenticated account, and that is why it is a report. How does a report begin? Report means to tell or to produce report, and then when it comes to press report, while talking about press report, we need to think. Media is considered as the fourth strongest pillar of any democracy after the judiciary, legislature, and the third one, the bureaucracy. And media has a responsibility to become the voice of the weakest of the weak. Means those who are not having any shelter, any support, media should fight battle for them. They should be supported by media. An ideal democracy, an ideal society is not the one that ensures the survival of the fittest. Rather, an ideal society is the one that ensures the survival of the weakest. Ideal society is not the one. It means we need to move away from the Darwinian theory of survival of the fittest. Darwin said that only fittest can survive. Survival of the fittest should be challenged, and that fight of the weak should be fought by media and fought by the reporter. But at the same time, it is an acknowledged fact that no two reporters can produce the same report of the same event or of the same incident. That is the problem. So how can we be factual? How can we be truthful? And how can we be objective in our expression, in our communication, in our description, in our production of the data? And then only we can be a very good press report writer. For that purpose, we need to answer a few questions. And if our dealings, our writings are able to answer these questions, we will be objective, we will be truthful, and we will be factual. These are the quality of journalistic writing. Suppose you are producing something, you are reporting something, you are given an assignment to write a report. Your report should answer a few questions, few WH questions. If your report is able to answer, or you are able to answer via your report, first question, what happened? Or what are you going to report? When did it happen? How did it happen? And why did it happen? Where did it happen? Then you are a good reporter. This is known as core value of journalistic reproduction or journalistic writing. Press stands, sustains, grow on this, and for that purpose we need to focus while writing anything. What is the news? What you are reporting? Why are you reporting? And when are you reporting? Where are you reporting? How are you reporting? Otherwise, your first duty is to defend the journalism. Defend, I am again repeating, the first duty of a journalist is to defend the journalism, protect the journalism, prevent the journalism from yellow journalism. What to do? Defend it, protect it, prevent it from yellow journalism. And if we are able to do so, we are a good reporter. What happened? This word, this particular term, we call very simply that a report is an authentic, factual, objective reproduction of anything that has happened, seen, visualized, etc. But being objective, is it that simple? Sometimes it tastes the metal of the human being, of the writer, and I would like to say, while defining democracy, I would like to give you quote one Hindi lines that defines democracy, that जमहूरियत वो तर्ज हुकूमत है जहां बंदों को तोला नहीं करते गिना करते. Means everybody is having value of one. Nobody can have extra value, and that is the soul of democracy. For that purpose, in order to providing, in order to ensuring by the people, for the people, to the people, in order to protect the core values of democracy, one has to stand up, one has to start writing, one has to know the value of writing, and one need not to sell out his pen. I would like to quote here one poet who is appealing to the reporters to stick to the core media values, not to sell out their pen, and telling that the day will be very disastrous when reporters are going to sell their pen. And he is representing the reporters as the soldiers of the pen, kalam ke sipahi. He is representing it, and he is telling that धरा बेच देंगे, गगन बेच देंगे, अमन बेच देंगे, चमन बेच देंगे, कलम के सिपाही अगर सो गए तो वतन के सिपाही वतन बेच देंगे. For that purpose, we need to stick to the core values in order to defend the loyalty to our pen. We need to think to the core values while writing, because our pen can mislead the people. If we are writing negatively, there are various types of reporting. Promotional journalism, expressive journalism, impressive journalism, journalism reporting for the marketing, reporting for creating hype. People are doing that. But at the end of the day, you need to respond to your soul. what for you are standing, what is your role, what are your accountabilities, and how finally you are going to support your nation to which you belong to. And if your writing is available to answer all these questions, definitely you are going to be a very good reporter. Being authenticated, being trustworthy, being foolproof, being factual, and being objective, being impersonal, sticking to the points, one can be a very good reporter. At this point, I would like to invite you, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Any one of you, if you wish to ask any question, any doubt related to the topic, please feel free to ask. And what else you expect for journalism, or what else you expect for press report writing. Only these questions at the end I am repeating. If somebody is writing is able to answer this what, when, how, all these WH questions, his writing is a very authentic, genuine press report writing. That's it for the day. Thank you. Thanks a lot.